Assalamualaikum guys, good evening, welcome back another video. So very excited about this item, Winspace. But the story about Winspace, yeah, in fact I'm waiting almost about 2 months. I ordered on February on the 14th, so until now they deliver my Winspace. In fact, I ordered the C5 Aero, but waiting for them so long. I emailed them. They said they will process within 7 to 15 days. But more than 7 to 15 days, I'm waiting for the C5 Aero, the new frame. But no choice, I order the Gen 2, the Winspace Gen 2. So a lot of story about Winspace. They delay my order, email they never reply. But when we chat with them, they promise 7 to 15 days. But because maybe they are so busy after Chinese New Year, maybe, and then because of the size, they are XS size 44, very difficult for them. So maybe because of that, blah blah blah, a lot of story about Winspace. I emailed them, asked for refund. Then they said they will make another frame for me. So when I emailed them, I said I would like to decide to change to Winspace Gen 2. So I'm so excited. In fact, I ordered together with the Aero bar 3880. So hopefully there will be drop bar, the handlebar inside this box, yeah. Hopefully. So let me unbox. We just received from UPS. Okay, so excited. Couple of months waiting for this Winspace, yeah. So hopefully. Okay, let me open first. So in fact, the C5 Aero, yeah, the price compared to C5 Gen 2 more expensive. This one more expensive compared to C5 Aero. Okay guys, I'm so excited. Maybe you guys also so excited about this frame, yeah. See, come with the box, size 44. Wow, I think this one, the carbon bite, I think maybe let me open first, confirm. Oh, this one I think the BB come, no, not the BB, the headset. The headset, they won't come with the BB. Spacer, true axle, two true axle. This one I think the stem, the spacer. This one the headset. Okay guys, we put one side here. So excited to see the frame first. Okay, we put one side first. The important, don't know what this. Oh, this one the drop bar mount. You put coming here. Okay. This is the final. Hopefully, oh yes, the drop bar is here. Okay, let me open the drop bar first. Wow, the drop bar. Thank you Winspace. Even though got problem with Winspace, now happy with the Winspace. Hopefully Winspace will watch this video of Winspace. Okay, the Aero bar. Okay, Aero bar. I think the stem I order 80 centimeters, 38. Okay guys, so excited. So we put one side, we put back because tomorrow I will send to the mechanic to do my bike. Maybe this way. Never mind. We settle this one first. We put the aero bar. Yes, this one. Okay guys, this one. Okay guys. One side. Oh. Alright guys. Problem with the here, okay. That's why they cannot follow me. Now they follow me. Super light, super light. Wow. Wow. Where the knife. Okay guys. Wow. Wow, Winspace. Wow, look at that. Look at that guys. Wow. Oh, very light. Super light. I cannot find my, what is it called? My weighing machine. Later I try to weigh. Maybe tomorrow. Wow. Wow. Wow, the design exactly like Astro Vans. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Wow. The design. There's some design over here. You can see the design. Wow. Okay. So happy with the Winspace. But soft. This one very thick. This one soft. This one very thick. Okay guys. We put one side. Cannot follow me. Now they follow me. Okay, this one the carbon, the fork. This one. Let me open. Let me open. Wow. 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 Okay, guys. Wow, very nice. Super nice. Super nice. Oh, the paint job. Excellent, guy. The paint job. Look at that. Okay. This one, the fork. This one the seat post. Look at the seat post. Wow. Okay guys, so excited. We put one side first, this one. Okay guys, now we put the fork here. Okay guys, and then maybe we put the seat post like this. Okay guys, look at that. What do you think of the Winspace Gen 2 This one, the latest one, the Gen 2. Previous one, the Gen 1. A little bit heavier, but according to Winspace, they reduce the weight, yeah. But the behind, yeah. Wow, look at that, the behind. Exactly like exhaust vent. Look at that. Wow, super nice. With the silver, the design. This one, the what? The logo, yeah. This one, like Spain flag. Wow, the paint job, excellent, guy. The paint job, very nice. Wow, I will say goodbye to my niche. So the parts, yeah, I think I'm going to use the 11 speed. I remove from my niche, I put for sale. Then the parts, yeah, I'm going to put down here, 11 speed. Wow, very nice, guy. Wow, with the seat post, amazing. The paint job, very nice. Gonna put bearing later on, tomorrow. Hopefully by tomorrow afternoon can be ready. Okay, guys. So I started with the Winspace. So tomorrow, maybe I take motorcycle like this, behind motorcycle, or maybe I walk to Winspace. Walk to Binjai Specialized. Wow. Okay, guys. Thank you so much to all of you watching this video. Have a good good weekend. Bye bye.